When it comes to getting dinner on the table night after night, it gets pretty challenging to come up with new, fresh ideas. Well, no worries, because I have a quick throw together one-pan wonder that'll do just that. We start by sprinkling a few thick-cut pork chops with lemon pepper seasoning. These get sauteed in a heavy skillet until they're nicely browned on both sides, which takes just minutes. Once they're cooked just the way you like them, take them out and add some balsamic vinegar, chicken broth, and a bit of brown sugar right to the skillet. Let it simmer until it starts to reduce slightly and thicken up. Then, come dinner time, spoon the sweet and tangy glaze over the chops and call the troops to the table. And since it was all cooked in one pan, cleanup is a breeze. To get the recipe for our juicy and flavorful balsamic pork chops, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun change of pace way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.